Hello, I'm Janet Hardy-Gould and I live here on the south coast of the UK, not far from this beautiful place behind me, the Seven Sisters. I'd just like to say how honoured I am to receive this Language Learner Literature Award for my book Ellis Island, Rosalia's Story. I'd like to thank the Extensive Reading Foundation for organising the awards, the judges and all the readers who took part in the voting process. I'd also like to say thank you to everybody at Oxford University Press Graded Readers. It's always a pleasure to work with such outstanding editors. And a final thank you to Thomas Girard for his wonderful illustrations. The story is set in the past, in the year 1910, and it's about the adventures of a teenage girl, Rosalia, on her voyage with her family from the Italian island of Sicily across the ocean to Ellis Island in New York Harbour. At its heart, it's about a story of the hopes and fears of migrants searching for a new life. And it's also about young people looking to a better future. I hope you enjoy reading the book. Thank you.
Yeah,